Samantala, dalawang impeachment complaint naman versus BP Sara, idineklarang sufficient inform ng House Committee on Justice ang ikatlo at ikaapat na impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Inihain ng religious leaders ang ikatlong reklamo habang ang abogadong si Nathaniel Cabrera ang nag-file ng ikaapat na complaint. Susunod na tatalakayin ng komite ang pagtukoy kung sufficient in substance ang mga reklamo. Magpapatuloy ang deliberasyon bukas, March 3.
Technically, dalawa na lang po yung natitirang impeachment complaints. That is the third impeachment complaint filed by Father Saballa et al., endorsed by Congresswoman De Lima, and the fourth impeachment complaint filed by Cabrera, endorsed by Congressman Abante and Congressman Paulo Ortega. No? Tapos today, we concluded also the determination of sufficiency in form of these two remaining impeachment complaints. I'm saying remaining because when we started, it used to be four impeachment complaints. Yung first impeachment complaint, remember, it was set aside on the ground of violation of one-year prohibition. Ito yung in-endorse ni Congressman Tino, Congressman Elago, and Congresswoman Ko.
Ano ang masasabi mo dito, kabayan? Sama-sama natin panuorin ang buong video at pakicomment nyo po ang inyong mga reaksyon at sariling opinyon.